In this video, we take a look at the cable cast on. Stay with me and I'll show you how. The cable cast on gives us a tighter and neater edge than we would get with the knitted cast on. This is handy for when we have an open edge, for example, for a hem or the edge of a scarf. So let's get started. To begin, we make a slip knot. We make a loop with the tail end of our yarn underneath the working yarn. We reach through the loop, grab hold of the working yarn and pull it through. We slip that loop onto our left hand needle and pull it snug. This counts as our first stitch. We take our needle and we come in behind the stitch, coming through from front to back as though to knit. We wrap our yarn and we pull it through, and we slip that loop back onto our left needle. That counts as our second stitch. Now that we have 2 stitches, we can begin our cable cast on. We insert our needle in between the 2 stitches, coming from front to back. We wrap our yarn and we pull it through and slip that loop onto our needle. We insert our needle in between these last 2 stitches, coming from front to back. We wrap our yarn and pull it through and slip that loop onto our needle. Come in between these last 2 stitches, wrap our yarn, pull it through and slip that loop onto our needle. Come in between the last 2 stitches, wrap the yarn, pull it through and slip the loop onto our needle. In between the last 2 stitches, wrap the yarn, pull it through and slide onto our needle. Between the last 2 stitches, wrap the yarn, pull it through and slip. Between the last 2 stitches, wrap the yarn, pull it through and slip. Between the last 2 stitches, wrap the yarn, pull it through and slip. Keep going until you have the required number of stitches, and that's how to do the cable cast on.